Frontline workers are the backbone of our economy. They transform ideas into reality. In complex 24/7 operations, they're a critical piece of the production puzzle. Office workers and frontline workers are not the same. Yet for too long, large legacy software providers have treated them as one, to the detriment of the frontline worker. These are the doers. They don't sit behind a computer screen. They use their hands to transform the world. They aren't 9-to-5ers. Their schedules are driven by the convergence of supply and demand, between what is needed and what is possible. Generic solutions start with the time focus and result in unpredictable and changing schedules that spark drama, lead to union grievances, increase regulatory compliance risk, drive excessive overtime, and lead to high turnover. Indeavor changes that. We're the people operations platform purpose-built to empower the front line in manufacturing, energy, healthcare, and government operations. We start with a scheduling focus. We open communication lines, deliver real-time visibility, and enable frontline self-service management, removing latency between what's known and who acts. We schedule what others can't. For your business, 3 to 8% variable labor savings, 100% compliance, and reduced attrition. For your people, predictable schedules that prevent burnout and ensure safety. Build loyalty that drives engagement, productivity, and retention. It works because it works for all. Time is precious. Don't waste it. Indeavor ensures the right people are in the right place at the right time.